Namaste everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you some of the tips for the sun salutation B. In a sun salutation B, after 6th position, after downward dog, when you're coming in a warrior A position, so sometimes new students they make some of the mistakes with the feet position. So for example I will show you. Now I put this step here to understand. You can see my feet position. Now from here, as you can see, this is just a imaginary line which we call midline. Okay, now sometime beginners, what they do, they bring the foot forward. Okay, now look at my back foot is crossing the line. Then here they find it's difficult to balance the posture. Now how to avoid this? For example, you are in downward dog. So downward dog, left foot, where is your toe? Change the position, your heel coming here. Okay, then bring your right foot forward. Now from here, your legs is strong, arms up and palms together. So in this position, because you have little gap here, you might feel first is the stability. And second, you can work with the hips. So pushing the right hip gently back, left hip forward, and try to make your hips more balanced. So you can feel the glutes, you can feel your inner thighs muscles, you can feel your quads. Then from here, arms up. And paying attention here, do not make too much arch here. Your focus should be extension from your ribs. So just notice your front and back ribs. If you're arching, it means you're stretching more is front and more compressing this part. So just think, have that kind of sense. If you gently pushing the front ribs in, you can feel back ribs is lifting upward. And slightly tuck the tail, work with the glutes, little more extension back of the ribs. So now quickly repeat again. The first is the feet position. Keep little gap between your two heels, so you might feel more stability in the posture, and that is good. If you don't have good stability in the posture, you might find always it's difficult to breathe. So once you have stability, you can enjoy the breath. And the second is, then you can work with the hips position and think of less arch in the spine. Our focus is extension from the spine, from the front to the back, and that's the reason you are gently pushing the front ribs in and dropping the sitting bones tailbone down or tucking the tail. That's only the reason to extension back of the ribs. This engagement should be gentle with the understanding. If you're doing too much, tucking the tail ribs in too much, you might feel it will affect your breath and you will not enjoy the breath or you will not enjoy the posture. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Namaste.